Dogecoin could retreat 4.1% by tomorrow, Gov Capital Collector suggests. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. At this hour, Dogecoin is up 4% over the last 24 hours and holding near $0.11229. Now, let's hear from the analysts' side. CoinLore believes the price could reach $0.1147 by May 5, with an estimated gain of nearly 2%. Dogecoin could trend upward to $0.11254, according to CoinCodex, about 0.1% above now. Digital coin price highlights the possibility of testing $0.10888 on the downside, marking a loss near 3.1%. Another forecast from Gov Capital Collector indicates Dogecoin could approach $0.10781 on the way down, an expected loss of about 4.1%. To finish, Crypto Predictions expects a move down to $0.10386 by May 5, 7.6% lower than current price. This is the most profitable call among all. 5 expert views are in. Let's head to the next part. Forecasts complete. Let's turn to the probability and payoff. Based on the spread of forecasts we've seen, the market could swing between a drop of 7.6% and a rise of 2%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, Crypto Predictions projects the highest gain with 7.6% increase in value by May 5. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $1 and $76 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the odds, CoinCodex is number 1 with a 88.7% chance of success. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. The consensus forecast points to Dogecoin declining by about 2.5%. Let's get into the weeds a bit. The consensus figure shows the price moving down 2.5% by tomorrow. To make it clear, your capital may rise by roughly 2.5% as well, in alignment with that outcome. For every $1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $25 added. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Dogecoin holding true is roughly 70.3%. On to the next, let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. CoinLore suggests the short-term path is upward. CoinCodex forecasts Dogecoin moving lower. Digital coin price describes the market as neutral, with only marginal moves anticipated. Gov Capital Collector highlights a bearish short-term picture. A bearish forecast is additionally made by Crypto Predictions, expecting losses. The consensus forecast signals Dogecoin will remain under bearish momentum in the near term. So, 80% of perspectives project Dogecoin trending downward. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. As a result, the day's closing figure was $0.10828. The majority of analysts captured the right trend this time. Measured by accuracy, Traders Union ended up the best. Let's see it piece by piece. In yesterday's move, 2 forecasts landed inside the candle. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 1.4%. Here's the results table, a clear look at how things turned out. In the data, digital coin price shows 78.9% forecast probability and 1.4% ROI. Look and see who stayed closest to the real price movement. Let's check how tomorrow's projected gains line up for Dogecoin and a few selected assets. In this ranking, Dogecoin falls below the leader as Fetch holds 2.6% expected performance. Here we're comparing Dogecoin with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset is already online on my website. If you appreciate seeing different analysts in one clear view, hit like and subscribe. More reviews coming soon. See you soon.